So I'm starting off first by applying my Got2b gel, and I'm just going to go ahead and put that around the bridge of my forehead, like basically where I want my closure to lay. And I already went ahead and poked my closure forward just to see exactly where I wanted it to lay at and to make sure that everything was going to be on point. So yeah, that's basically what I'm doing now, just applying my glue. And I might be getting some of it on my hair, but my real hair, but I'm not really worried about it. It's not going to do anything because I know how to get it off. I'm using my blow dryer to help me speed in the drying process because it can take a little while for it to dry, and the blow dryer helps it dry faster. And make sure that your blow dryer is on cool. You don't want it to be on warm or hot, and none of that. So once I notice everything is dry or almost dry, I go ahead in with that freeze spray, and I spray my perimeter as well. And then I pull my closure forward, make sure it's where I want it to be, make sure I hold it down to secure it in place. I go ahead in with my rat tail comb, and I use the bottom part of my comb just to go around my edges and press down to make sure that everything is like blending. So I get a little container and I put some alcohol in it, and alcohol helps you to clean off any like excess glue that you have around the perimeter of your forehead, anywhere you might have gotten glue where you didn't want it at. And basically that's what I'm doing, is going ahead and cleaning that up. Now what I'm doing is using my contour palette, and I'm going in with a shade that's like similar to my skin tone, and I'm going to use that to like put it in the center part to like blend it in more, to make it look like it's like scalp, like it's not, you can't see the lace. So that's what I'm doing now. The glue actually lasts up to a week, so if you guys do want to keep your hair on your head for a while, that is a good way to do that. If you don't, then don't use that glue. You can use a gel or something. But that's pretty much it, y'all. Thank you so much for watching this video. Stay beautiful and stay blessed. I'll see y'all in my next video.